Crowds are freaking crazy today. Holy cow. I've never seen the parking lot here so freaking packed. Did check the apparel, but not really much to show you guys. But I do have a feeling we're gonna see plenty here in the sneaker section. Been seeing a deluge of these human race slides right here. $23. These retailed for $100 when they came out. Got some, what are these things called? EQTs? Are these the EQTs or something? No, Explore Boost. Explore Boost, these are a size 9. Probably the shoe with the most amount of boost that you can get in the midsole. 2 layers of boost. $45 for these. Climaco version of the Adidas foams right here. These are down to $40. Oh, it's just peeking right here. Is there something right here? Some Adidas Marvels. I don't know what this is though, to be really honest. But yeah, BY Dubs. These are Marvels version, going for $40. Some Hokas I've never seen before. It is weather resistant. Project Cliftons. Some weather resistant Cliftons right here. These are size 7.5, so smaller size, still $90. Chuck 70s going for $40. Football cleats. If you guys need football cleats for your kids coming up this upcoming season, football cleats should be in demand right now. $20. Got some Currys right here. Some Steph Currys. I don't really know what itineration this is. What are these Curry 2s they look like? I want to say Curry 2s. $50 for Curry 2s. They look like they're used. Look like a return or something. Got some golf cleats. Infinity Tour. These the Infinity Tour Next Percents? Believe so. $35 for those. If you're into golf, that's what's up. And then of course plenty of these. Gonna see these in a million different sizes. I won't even show you guys all of them. $50 for the Mellow 2s right here. Trey Young's alarm just went off. What the hell? Just went off and then it went off. I don't know. $40. I've never seen this colorway of these. These are the Mellow 3s, right? MB3s. $50 for these bad boys. Colorway I've never seen before. What the hell? Nobody was even next to that thing. What the hell? What's going on, Steph Curry? Got some suedes right here with the super fat laces. Size 9. These are going for $37. Some Under Armours right here. Going for $50. Seen plenty of these. Some Crocs. We're seeing more and more Crocs going for $30. Was gonna say found some Curry size. Oh, okay. I thought it was missing one. But yeah, $20. Normally $50 for the Curry slides. These are a bigger size. These are size 13. Size 13 these GT guys. No, these are one of the tennis shoes for tennis. We have $50 for those. And then plenty of the MB, what are those? The 2s, the 3s. 14.5 Don issue 3. Right here going for $40. Speaking of Jordan gear, look at this. Look at this. Got wide receiver gloves right here. This is a men's medium. Really, really good size. Specific for the teenagers. $20. $20. These do retail for $65. So that is dope. If your kid plays football or you play football, damn, that's so cheap. $65 down to freaking what, 20? Damn. I also got these batting gloves. Been seeing a ton of the batting gloves. $8 for those. Was about to move on to the next spot, but look at this. Look at this. Dude got some nice stuff. Dodgers pillows right here. $15 for these bad boys. And I was gonna say, of course you can't forget the women's section, but sometimes you can't because yeah, they really ain't jack. They really ain't jack, man. Hitting up a few different Ross in the San Fernando Valley today. And at this location, we starting off with some interesting stuff. Superstars. Little weird patch Adidas camp. But yeah, these are smaller size. Seven women's. 7 women's going for $35. That is in the men's section. Got some Nikes right here. Some waffles. Yeah, these are going for $40. And these are going for $60 size 8. More of these things right here going for $40. Top 10s right here. These mother lover size 8.5 patent leather. Bad boys right here go for 45. Bikinis right here go for 40. Some Converse. What the hell are these? Wow, these are awful looking. Go for 40. Got some Kobe's right here, aka Crazy Ones. Go for 45. And then Dame 8s. I haven't even seen these at the regular stores, at the retail shops, and I'm seeing them at the freaking outlets. These are size 10. Go for $47. How are those Dame 8s already at the discount stores? I haven't even seen them at the retail shops. I seriously have not seen those at the retail shops. What the hell? Is that just me? Have I not just been paying attention? I don't know. But you got some Cosmic Unities. I don't know. No price tag. Not even marked on the bottom. Got some Roshis right here. Going for 35. These are Roshi Golf. Got a plethora of these as well as these. Converse Chuck 70s as well. $40 for those. Super Wrap Cycles. If you need to be like Joe Biden and fall down, go for 20. Got these things right here. Jeremy Scott. Got some Jeremy Scott Adidas. Are these Jeremy Scott top 10s out there? But yeah, $40 for these bad boys right here. Size 10.5. I'm not a fan of those. Got some Human Race Adidas high tops right here. These ain't even mid tops. These look like full-fledged high tops. What the hell? I don't even know what model this is. 38, is that what it says? I don't know. Puma RSX all white. Pretty clean, $40. Got some Adidas D-Rose 1.5 low tops, go for 45. Wow, we're starting to see Lakais here as well. Seen these only at skate shops. And I have a feeling these are dirt cheap. Yeah, 23 bucks. 23 bucks for Lakais. We've seen these at Borders. And these are size 12. Wow. Bigger sizes right here. See some Forums with some nylon on it. That's interesting. Have not seen these at the retail shop. 45 for these bad boys right here. Then much of the same stuff as that last one. All kinds of batting gloves here. Got New Balance fitness gloves. The hell is this? Bicep bands? Never even heard of that. $6. Fiesta Bowl Champ hats right here go for $8. That's a Nike. Croc slides right here. I don't think people are too into these, but some people get them. Down to $12. 12 bucks for Croc slides. I don't know if you guys just need stuff like this. Look at this, $13 for a tennis racket. Obviously it's not high end, but $13 and then $4 for tennis balls. Even if you have dogs and stuff like that, that's just so cheap. Holy cow. As I said, I know this ain't like high end gear, but do most people need high end gear? 15 bucks for, is this softball? Is this for softball or baseball? Looks like softball gloves right there. Yeah, man, hella cheap. I was trying to hit this place up. Guess not. Sun Valley location not open yet. Not open yet. Dang it. The next day we're hitting up this one in Northridge. Did I catch him in a little restock situation over here? Did I? If I did, does it matter? I don't really see nothing here right now. Trying to be nosy. No, not really seeing much. Thought I saw something super dope. But yeah, this is U-brand. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's kind of light for what it is. I thought it'd be a lot heavier. Do got some Lakers shorts right here, 15 bucks. Not bad, not bad. Football season right around the corner. Do have these blank jerseys. These are Nike, $6. $6. Got a medium Adidas one, also 6 bucks. Blue one right here, the same price. Got some Nike Rams t-shirts. Nike Rams t-shirts, what they talking about? $13 for those. Those were Nike dry fit t-shirts. See, $15 for Nike Syracuse polo. At least they got a few things. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy though. Really gotta search right now. This is a really interesting find. Look at this, $13 Nike t-shirt. It's a Kittle t-shirt from Iowa. Wow, that's definitely interesting. Never seen that before. It's been a couple, 2-3 weeks since I've hit up any Ross at all, other than last couple days, and we're seeing a lot of the same stuff. NMD, seeing a bunch of these. These are going for $65. And then seeing a ton of these mellows in a bunch of different colorways. These gonna get marked down. These are still going for $50, but literally see a ton of colorways. More of these top 10s right here. I think I saw this exact same patent leather one earlier, $45. RSX, some Pumas going for $40. Some Hoka boots right here. $70 for the Hoka boots, a little cheaper than the shoes. These are the, what, Anacappas? Got some Under Armour high tops or mid tops probably, but yeah, these are going for $50. Got some Currys right here. These Curry 7s or something. These are size 14, $19. $19 for Curry 7s. Not bad, holy cow. Got some Speed Turfs. These look like they're grade school 7Y. $33 for those. Got some Converse Chuck boots right here. They're faux leather. They're heavy as hell because the boots, yeah, that outsole is heavy as hell. $40 for those. Budget Curry. These are the splash ones or something. Go for $50. NMDs. I think these are the S1s, right? NMD S1s go for $60. Yeah, got some decent material on top. Using their fly net, it looks like. It looks like they use their prime knit on this one. Then do see some Ultra Boost right here. These are, I think, the Ultra Boost lights, right? Ultra Boost lights, all white, size 8.5, decent size, but $53. They raised them up to $53. Are you guys serious? What are you guys doing? Damn. More Jeremy Scotts right here, go for $40. And then Grant Hill 2s. I've never seen this colorway with this texture as well. Grant Hill 2s. What are these going for? What are they going for? $23. Smaller size. Then I see one hat right here. It is a snapback, pretty clean. $15. Bigger sizes. Do got more of the budget Currys. These are a size 12, $40. Got some of the budget Project Rocks, the BSRs. These are going for $50. Then look at this. These are dope. I've never even seen these at the retail shops. These are smaller sizes in the big section. Kobe ones right here. Crazy ones. Yeah, these are size 8. They're going for $45. Got a couple of them. Yeah, they are smaller sizes. Wait, this one has like a silver. Yeah, why is it so different? Like, you can tell that one's a silver midsole right here. This one, kind of a black midsole. Maybe they are irregulars. I don't know. That's weird. That's weird. So like this one, you can tell a big difference between that little portion and this, the regular midsole. And right here it looks, maybe it's the angle. I don't know. Checking even the grade school for you guys. Do got, these are the Manoas, right? $35 for these. And then they got these boots. I forgot the name of these. Why am I tripping? They are ACGs. Got some ACG boots going for $33. Got the Manoas in this two-tone black right here as well. Got budget cleats, perfect for the younger kids. This is a pre-K because size 3 though. No price tag. And I have been going through the women's section. I have been going through almost every aisle. Ain't been finding much other than stuff like this. Soccer, no, these are baseball cleats. Softball cleats go for $18. And that's about it. That's really about it. We saw these earlier, the waffles. These are going for $45, but not much else. Not much else.